In this video, let me show you how to enable or disable the rear cross traffic assist in Jaecoo cars, and let me explain how it works. So this is the best feature for backing out of parking spaces. Let me show you where you can find it and how to enable it. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's find here and select the settings. From the list of settings, you need to use the left menu and select here the driver assistance, the third option. Then, as you can see, you can enable or disable the rear cross traffic assist. This feature acts as an extra set of eyes when reversing out of a parking spot with blind views. Rear radar sensors monitors traffic coming from the left or right sides behind you. If a vehicle or pedestrian approaches while you are backing up, the car alerts you and can automatically apply the brakes to prevent a T-bone collision. I think it's really important to have this enabled. Let's just use this switcher to do this. And as you can see here, we've got also definition from the Jaecoo. Let's read it. When this function is activated and you are driving in reverse, the system will detect if there is a danger of a collision with a passing obstacle behind you and automatically declare or stop the car. So let's leave it like that, enabled. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.